Hi all, welcome to another video of 5 tips and tricks in MS Excel. This is Manu. Today we are discussing 5 reference function in Excel. Let's start. Tip number 1, VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP is an Excel function to look up and retrieve data from a specific column in a table. Here I have a table of data and each data have its own individual ID number. In the right section, if I am giving a particular ID number, suppose if I am giving 207, its name, date of birth, phone number, etc. is updating automatically. For this purpose, we can use VLOOKUP. Here in the bottom, the address, suppose if I want to update the address, we will write it as VLOOKUP bracket open. The first value is the lookup value, so the ID is the first lookup value, comma, the second is the table array. Table array is the whole table data, then comma, and the third one is a column index number. So address is in the 6th column, so we should give 6, comma, and finally you can give true or false, which is an optional value. If you are giving true, it will search for the approximate match, and if you are giving false, it will search for the exact match. Here I need the exact match, so I am typing false, bracket close and enter. You can see for 207 the address is 816. Tip number 2, index. The index function returns the value of a given position in a range or array. Suppose if I want to fetch any of this amount to particular column, you can use index. For that, equal to index, and the array you have to give the range of the value, comma, then the column number 2, 3, then bracket close, and you can see the second row and the third column, that is 8622, it's fetched here. Number 3, match function. The match function get the position of an item in an array. So here I'm having some names, and to find the position of that name you can use some match function. So here let's equal to match. First we have to give the lookup value. Here Larissa is the lookup value, comma, then you have to find the lookup array. This is the lookup array, comma, and we can use 3 types of function. If you give 1, it is compare less than, and -1 is greater than, and 0 will give you the exact match. So here I have to give 0, bracket close. So you can see the Larissa is the 9th position. Row and column. The function row and column can be used to return the number of row and columns. For example, if I want to fetch the row and column number of this highlighted cell, you can use row, that is equal to row, that particular, this is highlighted cell is G3, it returns, and for column you can give in bracket the reference which is highlighted G3, it will return the column number. And number 5, choose function. The choose function can be used when we make a choice based on a number. Here I have mango, orange and apple as choices. The first choice is apple, second choice is orange, and the third choice is mango. So here you can see I have given choose. The choice number is in the ID number, and the options are given in double quotes. So suppose if I change the choice number to 1, the apple will return, and 2 for orange, and 3 mango. We can combine index and match together for better performance. Here I'm having some names, and their corresponding collections of amount in January, February and March. Here if I want to retrieve the name of Neil for month March, you can use index as well as match function. Suppose if I am changing the name to Barry for the March Barry, the amount will be updated. So for this you have to give like this is equal to index, and in the range is the value that amount to be fetched, and after the comma in order to give the rows and column you can use match functions. So in the match function, first you have to give the reference value G4, which is the name. You have to give the range of that name array, which is this one, it is A2 to A11, and for the column value you have to give the reference as G5, which is this cell reference number, and for the range is January, February, March, this one, which is B1 to D1, and obviously for matching type you have to give 0 for exact fetching. So this will give you, if you want to check for February also, the amount automatically updates. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe if you want more videos like this.